So guys, on this platform you can only record your voice, your audio, and get paid. Just read with your voice if you know how to read fluently, and it has a lot of options. We have English, we have native languages, so you are not going anywhere. You don't have any excuse. Hello. So please stay with me as I take you through this side. I want you to get online money. You must get paid. You must get online money. You must get it at least this year. Okay, so this is very active site, so I want stay with me. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, join our community to show you on how to create your account and start earning, and how to do your first task and get paid. Alright, stick here as we go through. Basically, you go to your Google. Once you go to Google, just type in pile8.com. Type in pile8.com, and this is what you're gonna see on your phone. Pila is an online platform operated by Bisimbo AI that pays users to read short human audio and video clips. This collected human media data is used to train and improve artificial intelligence system. Exactly, your voice is gonna teach AI to be accurate in their system. So they need your voice, they need real human being voice, okay, so that AI can be improved, and they're gonna pay you for that. So let's click on the first link. Once you click on the first link, this is the interface you're gonna see. Okay, the interface. All right, and it is very reliable. You can use your phone. Don't say that because you don't have a laptop so you can't use it. You can actually use your phone. You don't need a laptop. This is very flexible, and also you don't need an office. You can just do it at home. Okay, it is very recommendable for student and stay-home moms, and for those who want some side hustle money. Okay, so this is the platform that is really very active. As you can see, is super active, and it pays according to your hard work. Don't just log in or create an account and stop right there. Make sure that you check in every single day to see if there is tasks available so that you can attend. But you just logging in an account and leave it there, my friend, it is gonna be hard. But I know for sure there are tasks that you can do. It is either in your native language or even in English. So as I showed you before, we have English conversation. So if you don't know any native language, because nowadays people are brought up in English way, some they don't know any native language, so please use English conversation and get paid. So I'm going to show you on how to create account and get paid. Okay, I'm going to show you that. So you come to your app, your right hand corner. I don't know, am I saying? Yeah, you come to your right hand corner here. There is sign in. You click on sign in. It will bring you here to sign in with Google. Let me just say sign in with Google and wait. Yep, this is what you're gonna see. To fill your account, what you will see is your name. So let me write my name here, Neri. Last name, Tulia. Okay, so select the gender. Select the gender female. Select race or ethnicity, black or month of April. Wait. So you have to fill in your age, your date of birth, occupation. Just put student or stay-home mom, but student is better. Let me just put student. Okay, then how do you find us? How did you hear about us, about payouts? So I'm gonna say Facebook. Okay, so then referral code is not a must. Once you are done, everywhere is tick. Click on continue. Once you click on continue, they will bring you on step 2, whereby you're gonna write your residential kind of residence and your location in short. Put Kenya, okay, region, put Nairobi. Okay, so payout step up. Just click, put on a tick and continue. Please select a country. Oh, I forget to select a country. How come? I thought I already put. So let's go. Oh, I get it. I know why it's reducing, because I'm just there. Then the region, Kenya, then region, Nairobi, Nairobi. Then click. No. Aywa. Basically, where step out start, it means you have to be sure you are from that country, you're from the region, because they will ask you for ID identification, so you're gonna give them your ID. So make sure that you understand. So click on continue. This is the last page. This no, step 3. This is step 3. They're gonna ask you what's the language you speak most fluently. I will write, do we have Swahili? I will write Swahili. So fluent. Oh, I think I should put like 10. Okay, so downward paste, describe your accent. At first, what one I don't know, but I put up Middle West. What country best match your Kenya? With Kenya. Where? So basically you put what country best matches your accent. So you put the country that you know it matches your accent. Okay, wait. Courage, like educational level, socialite, right, the city, which city did you grow up, where were you born, and live in the same city. Yes. Other language, English, fluent, add another language. Okay, I just add that. So if you have me, I have Swahili and English. I have put 2 languages. You have option also. Then press continue. Let's continue. Our form is gonna be submitted. So here are everything. Here is our form. So it's gonna go through review, then they will accept it. So just confirm and click on submit. There. Yes, so so here Here they will test you. They are gonna give you a challenge of audio. You read, okay, and record. Then if they will review and unlock the projects for you, the tasks. And we are done and completely done recording, getting our payouts account. So you're free to earn. Please remember to like, subscribe to my channel, leave a sweet comment. If you have ever had an experience of this site, give us what was your experience, and also join my membership, guys. Join my membership. Support your girl, guys. Okay, so our task is still loading.